my mind. I'm grumpy. And welcome to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today I want to do something a little different, brighten up your life, give you a little positive vibe out there, and help you during this time of enclosure. I think that might be YouTube appropriate, hopefully. And we're gonna go ahead and make some Miso soup. I have a taste for it. Hopefully you do too. And without further ado,
go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it.
A few things. Number one, we're gonna need our ahi. Number two, we're gonna need our tofu, of course, silken, diced. Then we're gonna go ahead and need our diced up baby corn. Then we're gonna need our chicken broth. And of course, about on picture there is 4 cups of water. We're gonna need our mushrooms and then our green onions. Then we're gonna need seaweed, which we're gonna use for breaking down in the soup. And the last thing we need is our actual miso paste.
First thing you want to do, you're going to get your measuring cup, and you want to add your stock. So we're going to do about 1 to 2 cups of chicken broth, and get that bad boy rolling, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and add 3 cups of water. So we're going to step away. Now we want to go ahead and take our seaweed. We're going to go ahead and take about 3 or 4 pieces like that and just start to break them apart. You just get a nice little tear on them and break them down right in your soup, just like that. Okay to get your hand dirty a little bit. We're going to let that into a boil. We're going to go ahead and turn it down and start to bring it to a simmer. And then what we want to do is take our onions and start to separate them, just like that, and get the different layers into the soup. So you want to do that, have the heat bring down, and then you want to go ahead and add your miso paste. And for us, we're using a brown rice miso. Then we're going to add that in, and the moment we add that in, we're going to start whisking, just like that. We're going to start whisking all that in there to make sure that it doesn't clump and we don't start losing the flavor. Which you've already diced and cubed, just like that. And then we're going to add our baby corn. So, you know, baby shark, why not? And then lastly, my favorite part, we're going to add mushrooms. And we're going to go ahead and continue to simmer on a nice medium-low setting for about 5 to 10 minutes. And what we're going to do now is add maybe a touch of salt and pepper. And we're going to be nice and ready to enjoy our miso. Now we're going to take our heat to a nice medium high. We're going to top it with a little pepper. And we're going to touch it with a little bit of, now we're going to add our ground ginger. Just a touch though, because ginger is a very, very strong flavor. And then we're going to go ahead, hit it with a little bit of garlic salt. Just like that. And we're going to do this for about 2 or 3 minutes. And we're going to gently flip it over. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and add our salt and our ginger and our pepper. Again, nice little easy seasoning there. A little ginger there. And remember guys, ginger goes a long bloody way, so be careful with your ginger, okay? You don't want to overpower your fish with your ginger. And then lastly, a little pepper. About 2 or 3 spanks will do it, and then you're good to go. And now we're going to take this, so if it's a little white or pink on the side, that's okay, because you don't want to overcook ahi. It's like steak. You want, when you get it off the skillet, you want it to be at least medium. So it's got to be a little pink in there. Ahi, okay. And got our miso ready to go. I present to you our sauteed ahi and miso soup. Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking. and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.